Hello, everybody, and welcome back to an episode of I don't know, I don't know, how tos, whatever I'm gonna call it. So today I will be showing you guys how to make a basic HTML document. So you can do this with either just a simple text document, or you can use, like, I recommend using Notepad++, because it's made for text documents. And let's actually let's just see, how do I add file new? Okay, so we're gonna start fresh from here. Let's close that. Okay, so I recommend using Notepad++, but if you don't have that and you don't feel like downloading it, then you don't have to. So first thing you're gonna do, HTML. Okay, then you're gonna do body. Now here's where you can start writing your text. Here is, yeah, like here. So let's say I want to go, hey everyone, okay, and now back or slash body, and then slash HTML, like that, okay. Save it as a hypertext markup language file, or if that doesn't show up on your list, save it as, here, let's make it Bob, okay? You can name it whatever you want, .html, okay? Either way works, but don't save as a text file. That's not going to work at all. Okay, so now we're just going to hit save. Okay, so here's Bob. And let me just bring over the window. So here it is. It says, hey everyone. And Bandicam, you're getting in the way. Okay, so if you want to modify that, reopen it up, okay? And now let's say we want everybody to be red. Okay, go font, color, spelled the American way, not the Canadian. Okay, font color equals, quote, red, orange, green, blue, etc. You can also look up the color hex tool, like hex like that, okay? Look that up online. You can select the colors you like, and it'll give you a code like, I think 00FF00, I think that's green. Not sure, we'll see. Okay, so let's say we want it green. That's gonna make it green. And let's say the header one's too small. So we're gonna go font size equals, you don't need quotations. Now this is not like Microsoft Word or any other programs. There is no font size 22 and 48 and 16 and 12s like the regular size and everything like that. It doesn't work that way. You got 1 through 7. That's all you got, okay? 7 being the largest and 1 being the smallest. I believe the default is 2. Okay, so let's say we want to be, I don't know, let's go 6. Okay, simple as that. And we can just go ahead and save that. Make that small again. Let's reopen Bob. Keeps opening on my other desktop, and there it says, hey everyone. So, we're actually going to keep that open. Oh, no, that stupid Bandicam. Okay, so, no, wrong button. Let's say we want a new line, okay? Because you can't just go enter and start typing again. It won't work. It'll end up all on the same line. Brackets BR, short for break. Then you can continue typing. Let's go. I like oranges. Okay. I don't know. Simple. Okay. Save. Okay, and we hit refresh. I like oranges. There we go. But let's say we want oranges to be an orange now. Okay? You see how they were green because the next line was already green still? What you have to do before or after the break whatever, it's fine. If you leave it as the font size up this here, it'll do it for everything in your whole page, your whole document. So you want to obviously change that. So go \font. It'll highlight stuff and then just hit \. Again. Okay, so now let's say we actually have to redo the font size because it undoes everything to do with the font and it makes it default. Okay, so we're going to re-put in font size 6. And then we're going to go font color equals let's go orange. Yeah. Okay, so then it will go to that. Okay, we're gonna go save, reopen this, and hit refresh. And there we go. It's kind of a gross orange, but it's orange. Okay, and that's basically it. Let's try to... Nope, wrong button. I keep doing that. That's basically all you really need to start basic paragraphs. So, like, you know, if you want to type an actual paragraph, let's say you want to stop it there, then you go break, and you can type in some, oops, maybe not spam it, type in some more stuff till you reach, you know, if you want it to look right, you know, just go to there, and that's basically it. File save, go back into here, and then we press F5 again, and then it has all this stuff. Now, this stuff for some reason went past, but let's make a full screen. Okay, no, it didn't. It was perfect. But yeah, that's basically all you need to make your basic HTML document. Not a website. If you came here looking for a website, well, you're in the wrong spot, but document. That's all you need. And just to show you guys, let's actually just reopen Notepad++. Here we go. We're going to go copy. Close that. New text document. Okay. Now, paste all that stuff in. It doesn't look as nice, right? But I guess if you're just starting out, it is easier to actually work in this because there's less settings and everything. Save as. Let's go cat.html. And there we go. And now we open up cat. And as you can see, it works. So you can use either or. Work exactly the same. But that's basically it. I have obviously a more confusing one. It's longer, but yeah, it's basically the same thing. That's basically it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next building with Aiden episode, I think I have to do next. So I will see you there.